It's not over yet.
It is over though, because this is the end. This is the end. See, Michelle just ruined this.
Done.
No, Michelle just ruined this. This is gonna be my ending because it looks nice, but we still got more to do, guys. So, thanks for ruining it, Michelle. Just kidding.
I waited until you were finished.
That's cool. Yeah.
Cut.
Yeah. So I'm gonna use that. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. Well guys, we're back and we're down here Fremont East checking out the newest taco place here on Fremont East, and it's called Taco Escobar. And it's actually made by the creators of Evel Pie. So, same people who made the pizza that we like, Evel Pie, are now making tacos. So we're here to check it out. So guys, Taco Escobar is the newest spot on Fremont East to get tacos and also some cocktails. We do have a full service bar here that offers a great mix of cocktails. I ordered our house margarita and it's $8, only $8 for a house margarita. So I'm gonna try it, see how it is. Delicious, refreshing, super good for $8. Can't beat it. All right, guys, we got Michele Monroe here. Michelle, long time no see. How you been?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. Oh, Michelle, the cops are after you. They finally found you.
Taco Bandit.
Michelle, they caught the Taco Bandit.
The Taco Bandit. They caught me.
But Michelle, how you been?
I'm good.
Yeah, we're here at Taco Escobar. Are you ready for some tacos?
I'm so excited. I'm obsessed with the name, so I think the tacos will be delicious.
Yes, let's do it. All right, so food's here, and I ordered 2 quesadilla tacos, an al pastor taco, and a, what did I get also?
Carne asada.
Oh yeah, carne asada taco. So let's see how it is. I'm gonna start off first with the al pastor. They're your average, street tacos that you get usually. And these tacos, the al pastor, carnitas, al pastor, and the al pastor is $4. Sorry, brain fart here. The al pastor is $4 a taco, and the carne asada they're $5 a taco. So. No, it's still tastes the same to me. Yeah. Michelle thought that it tastes a little different. No, it's good. It's good al pastor. Very tasty, very savory. You like it. All right, guys. Next up, we're gonna have the carne asada taco. And I gotta say, the carne asada look like little sliced up, like little steak sirloins, like high quality beef, guys. So let's try it out, see how it is. The carne asada steak, very tender, very good. And finally, we're gonna try the quesadilla, which when you order the quesadilla, you get 2 automatically. So it's like double the price. It's $10 for an order of quesadilla, and you do get two of these quesadilla tacos. And they do also come with consomme, so you can dip it and get all that tasty deliciousness. So I'm gonna try that out, see how it is. Oh, it is a little thicker than normal.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's almost like a mole type thickness. Wow. Yeah, so this isn't your average consomme. It's a little thicker than normal. And it tastes more like a mole to me, like a consistency of a mole, a thicker sauce. I think I would probably eat, which you shouldn't eat the quesadilla by itself. I'm really not feeling the consomme, unfortunately. Like I said, it's a little thicker than normal. More like a mole sauce. All right, guys, Michelle and I were just talking to the head chef here at Taco Escobar, Carlos. Carlos, super cool dude. Thank you for taking the time and speaking to us and whatnot. So we noticed a few things that are kind of taste different with their tacos and whatnot. Starting off with the al pastor. The al pastor taco we noticed was a little saltier than normal, and there's a reason behind that. It's because not only they use the normal pork butt, marinated pork butt, but they're also using pork belly, cut up little fine chopped up pork belly, also in the mix. So you're getting that little saltiness from the pork belly. So it is a little saltier than normal. It does take away a little from the sweetness, but nonetheless, it is still a very tasty good taco. Now the carne asada taco, like I said, it looks like little sliced up sirloins. That's because the chefs back there, they're cutting the meat against the grain, and it's nice and tender, and it's great. Looks great visually also. And then the quesadilla, yes, they are making their consomme a little thicker than normal, kind of like a mole sauce by choice. So if you're expecting to get that more brothy, savory broth type thing, it's not. It's more thicker, like a mole. So keep that in mind if you come down here to Taco Escobar. They're trying to do their own thing, and I hope they succeed because they're starting off great. Everything so far has been really good. Different, but good. Hey, Michelle.
Yes.
I've got great news.
What?
The head chef Carlos gave us free dessert, a tres leches cake. What do you think?
I love that for you.
Oh, that's right, guys. I forget. Michelle can't partake, but guess what? I will. So like I said, guys, Carlos was nice enough to give us free dessert, and this is their dessert they have to offer. It's their tres leches cake, and it's in a cup. It's got some chopped up pineapple, some mango on top, and some cream, and I'm gonna just dig right in, and we'll see how it is. There it is. Cheers. It's really, really good. I'm sorry, Michelle. It's really, really good. I was gonna lie and say it was really terrible, so Michelle doesn't feel bad, but it is really good.
I thought you shouldn't like it. Based on the look you were giving, I was like, oh,
Carlos,
no.
this is delicious. Thank you, brother. This is really good.
Really?
Yeah. All right, Michelle, we just tried Taco Escobar. What did you think?
I think it's a cool vibe. The tacos are pretty salty, but Joe explained why. So it's definitely different. I would be curious to come back after they have their grand opening and everything's perfected to try it again.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for Taco Escobar. And I think it's a pretty solid spot. They haven't done their grand opening yet, guys, so that's coming up soon. And but overall, we enjoyed the tacos. The prices weren't too bad. Margarita for $8. That's a great price. Guys, can't go wrong. I hope this place lasts, and I hope they do well. So, guys, when you're down here in Fremont East, come down, check out Taco Escobar. You're going to enjoy it. It's a really cool spot. What in the world?
Hey, we are straight out of Vegas.
What's up, bro?
Straight out of Vegas. Joe here. What are you guys doing here? Getting drunk or something? Or
Eating.
you guys
We're
aren't wrestling
going
out
to get
here?
drunk now.
Huh?
We're eating right now, but we're going to go get drunk right now.
That's Joey Trent.
I was right there.
I was about to text you. I was literally looking across the street. I'm like, where did he go?
Well, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Appreciate everybody for watching. Sorry it took so long to get this video out there. I know it's been a while between videos. But, guys, it's summer, and it's hot. So, thank you guys for watching. My name is Joe, and you just watched Straight Outta Vegas. So if you're feeling that vibe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I release future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you.